Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of AI browser. You will go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about AI browser. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click on clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Then you can go to Play Store. You will search about AI browser. Then you can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.